everyone, this is Maria, and today I'm going to show you how to make something really quick and delicious. And so we're going to make tortilla con huevo, and basically that translates to tortillas with eggs. And it's super simple to make anytime you want to make something really quick and you just want to throw it together. So I have 6 eggs in this bowl, and I'm just going to scramble them up. I added some pepper and some salt. And so you can have as many eggs as you like. It depends how many you're going to feed. And so this is probably enough for 2 people. Okay, so I'm just going to set this mixture aside, and then we're going to turn on the burner. You don't want to put it too high, maybe sort of a medium heat, because we're going to heat up some cooking oil. And so I've got some mazola oil. And what I'm going to do is just basically I'm going to fry these tortillas. I have some corn tortillas. So I have my corn tortillas, and I'm just going to tear them apart. And so just like when I made the tortilla con queso, and so the tortillas with cheese, and I'll go ahead and link that recipe on this video. And then we're just going to put them in the oil. You can wait and let the oil heat up. I'm just doing this really quickly now. And so just going to do that. So basically we're making tortilla strips or tortilla chips. So my mother used to make this for us, and it's really, really yummy, you guys. It tastes better than just plain old eggs. Okay, so let's let this oil heat up, and then we'll start stirring these up. So the oil is nice and hot now, so you want to make sure that you just keep moving these around so they don't burn. Okay, so they're starting to get crispy on the bottom, so that's when we're going to start to turn them. Just like you're making tortilla chips. So just keep tossing them now. I can see this one's starting to brown a little bit more, and so I mean you may get a few little burn ones in there where they're extra crispy, and that's okay. I've had it that way before. Because now the oil is nice and hot, and so they are going to get crispier much quicker now. By the way, I like to use the yellow corn tortillas, but that's just my preference. You can also use the white corn. And you can see they're starting to turn really nice and golden. I love the smell of corn tortillas when they're cooking. Okay, and they don't have to be completely toasted. You can have a few soft ones in there. And so the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to drain the oil into a bowl or some container. Okay, so I'm just going to drain the oil into this bowl, and then I'm going to move the bowl, or whatever you pour the hot oil into, I'm going to move the bowl with the hot oil to the back of the stove because I don't want it to fall. You don't want any injuries, you guys. Oops, a few of them fell in there. Okay, so I'm just going to move this to the back, and then I'm going to set this back on the stove on the burner. So these are nice and crispy now. And the next thing you're going to do is take your egg mixture, and you're just going to pour it in the pan. Just like that. And you're going to stir this around. And so basically you're making scrambled eggs with the tortillas. You can also add cheese to this, grated cheese. You can put it on top, or you can put it in there so it melts once the eggs start to cook more. Okay. Okay, so I gave that just a minute so the eggs could start cooking. I'm just going to mix this up. Yum, you guys, this smells really good. Whoops. And just keep tossing. I see I made a little mess there, but that's okay. I'll clean that up in just a minute. Oh, that was my freezer. So the whole thing is, you guys, you don't want this to burn. Try as much as possible. You can see the eggs, like on the tortillas, they're not fully cooked, so I just keep tossing it. And about this time, if you would like to add some grated cheese to this, you can do that. Or anything else. But this is the way I like it, just like this. And I usually eat mine with ketchup or green salsa. Okay, this looks ready now, you guys, so let's give this a taste. So I'm going to take my little Halloween plate because I love my little Halloween plates. So this smells so good, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. It's so good, you guys. Yum, yum. Really, really good. So there you go. Tortilla con huevo. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy cooking. Bye-bye.